I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to remove an email account. First, secure your data and connectivity. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and you know the account password, because you may need to confirm identity. Once set, open Settings on the Chromebook, navigate to Accounts or People. Select the Google account you want to remove and choose Remove or Sign Out. This targets the account on the device only. Doing this prevents future automatic sign-ins, but doesn't delete the Google account online. Once done with initial access, turn off Sync so browser data stops syncing to that account. Go to Chrome Settings, Sync and Google Services, and turn off Sync. Next, sign out of Chrome to clear session tokens. Then return to Accounts and Settings, pick the account, and choose Remove from this device. If you're the primary owner and the Remove option is disabled, make sure you understand that Chromebooks require a power wash to fully remove an owner account. Follow the reset steps only after backing up. You're almost done. Restart the Chromebook and check the lock/sign in screen to confirm the email is gone. Make sure to remove saved passwords and unlink the account from Google Play and apps so nothing silently reconnects. If the account still appears or removal is blocked, that usually means owner status or management is preventing it. In that case, perform a power wash, factory reset, or contact your administrator. If power wash fails, note the error and seek admin console support or official help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.